are an Instagram user and you are following Selena Gomez on Instagram, you are getting yellow ring stories, and after that clicking on it, it's showing like secret friends only. What is this new update? I will tell you that how you can get this secret friend only feature and how you can use it and all the reason behind it. So let's get started. So first of all guys, as we all know that Instagram regularly update their new features or new tools on Instagram. So recently Instagram has added a new tool, or we can say new update on Selena Gomez account only. Yes guys, it's only one account in the world right now, and as you can see there is a option called secret friend, and as you can see there is a yellow ring story. So how you can get this feature? So basically this feature is totally similar to the close friend. As we know that we have having close friends on Instagram on our profile, and we have to add our close friend in our list, and after that it's showing like green ring story and green how you can get this yellow one and what's the reason behind it. So as you can see I'm on my Instagram account and I'm following Selena Gomez and I'm watching a story, and you just get this yellow like option on this top right corner. So after that clicking on it, and you can see there is an option like basically it is a promotional tool only for the Selena Gomez account. She is promoting a friend's podcast secret like on Instagram, or we can say this feature is only for her account only. We can't use this feature right now. Yeah guys, that is all, and if you get clarity on this and like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share this video and subscribe to channel for more cool stuff.